Hi, I'm Smitha Joshi. I'm an electrical engineer coming from Hubli, Karnataka. Currently, I'm working as digital marketing analyst in one of the top media agency. In 2018, I quit my startup job, got married and shifted to Bangalore. And I started looking for techno marketing jobs and realized that I was not meeting the industry standards. Due to pandemic, I had around 3 years of gap in my career graph. I decided to upskill myself and came across upGrad. Thanks to upGrad's pre-admission counseling call, I was able to conclude on the transition I was looking for. And thankfully, as this was an online program, I was able to complete this effectively as well as manage my home. I gained knowledge on relevant tools used in digital marketing and got trained by the industry experts. They had so much to offer, like latest study material, case studies, weekly assessments, live projects, webinars, seminars and whatnot. And the best part was the career support offered by upGrad. I received one-on-one mentoring for building my portfolio, which helped me in job search. My mentor, Ms. Diksha Puri, helped me to rebuild my career after a gap of 3 years. I would definitely recommend the online learning programs offered by upGrad as they make you stand out in the crowd.